Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Check Other Viewers on Facebook Story. Let's dive right in. Open the Facebook app and log in. Ensure you're logged into your Facebook account. Access your story. Tap on your own Facebook story, which is typically located at the top of your feed. This will open your story view. Check the viewers list. Look for a row of profile pictures or circles at the bottom left corner of your story screen. These icons represent the users who have viewed your story. Interpret the viewer list. The profile pictures shown are from people who have seen your story. Differentiate between friends and others. Friends, you'll see the names or profile pictures of your friends who have viewed your story. Others, for users outside of your Facebook friends list, you might see a category labeled Others followed by a number. This number indicates how many people who aren't your friends have viewed your story. Additional options, depending on the app version and settings. You might have additional features such as seeing who viewed your story within a specific time frame, or additional insights into viewer demographics. Privacy considerations. Remember that Facebook allows users to adjust their privacy settings, so some viewers may be anonymous or not visible, depending on their settings and your privacy settings. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of who has viewed your Facebook story and gain insights into your audience. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.